Wapi makofi? Wapi makofi? Wapi kelele? Karibuni sana, wapi makofi? Kidogo tu. Mheshimiwa.
Wapi kelele ya gavana wa Meru?
Chini.
Wapi kelele ya CS? Wapi kelele ya wadosi wote? Meru!
Hey!
Kanye!
Aya. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Aya, sawa. Thank you so much. Our chief guest, thank you so much. Thank you. Our chief guest, the host governor, Our Excellency Bishop Kawira Mwangaza, and all protocol observed. How are you? Bwana asifiwe. Waheshimiwa wetu wamefika. Ningependa tuwakaribishe vizuri with our theme of this event. 2023. Basi nitaomba kwanza we excuse the stage so that we can welcome the viewers in style, and then we can do it. Mikono mbili juu. But before we do that, tupigie waheshimiwa wetu makofi. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I beseech all of us to be upstanding for the national anthem of Kenya, and then after that we do the East Africa Community Anthem. Kindly, wale wamevaa kofia ambazo sio wale wamevaa kofia na sio yuko department ya serikali ya kuimba wimbo wa taifa, nitaomba tafadhali tuweze kuzivua. Kindly, let's be upstanding for the national anthem of Kenya. East Africa Community.
Mungu twaomba uilinde Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki, tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuimarike, umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, idumu jumuiya yetu.
Thank you. Before we sit, let us welcome our guest of honor together the team in style. Mikono mbili juu tafadhali. Weka mikono mbili juu, sisi wote tafadhali. Karibu sana waheshimiwa wetu na the CS and wote ambao wamefika. Mikono mbili juu. Fanya 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. 1 2, mikono mbili juu. 1 2. Haya, huko nyuma na waona. Mikono mbili juu. Gavana, unafanya vizuri. DJ, twende kazi tafadhali. Kwa sekunde moja. Mikono mbili juu. Kila mtu. Let's go. Kila mtu. Let's go. Everyone. Let's go. Let's go. 1 2 3. Hold your neighbor. Hold your neighbor both sides. Hold your neighbor. Let's go. Unity. Unity. Hold your neighbor. Are you ready? Where should we walk? I have bent a little bit like this. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ. What makofi yetu tafadhali? For 1 second, kindly. 1 second. 1 second. We need something to celebrate what God has done, okay? So everyone like this. Everyone like this. On your marks. On your marks. And if I say we shout together, okay? On your marks. DJ, are you ready? Kenene, kenene. On your marks. On your marks. Fanya hivi kidogo tafadhali. Fanya mikono hivi. Fanya kidogo. On your marks. 2023. 2023. Are you ready? Let's go. 20. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you ready to shout? Chini. Let's shout. Let's go. Everyone. Let's go. Put it. Let's go. Hey. Some noise. Hey. Thank you, DJ. You may have your seats kindly. Thank you so much. Appreciate your neighbor. Appreciate your neighbor. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I take this precious opportunity to welcome my co-MC, MC Mananga, for a presentation, and then we hand over the program to our senior Bosire from NSDCC. Karibu sana.
Wow. Wapi makofi ya Pato once again. Si amefanya kazi nzuri. Makofi nzuri ya Pato. Thank you, Your Excellency. Wadosi wote, karibuni sana. We are going to do some entertainment. Just KMTC, they have a skit they are going to do. But, watu wa Meru oe! Mama ako area. Watu wa Meru oe! Kaende. Kabati. Tunawapenda sana. Naomba tafadhali KMTC very fast. Tuingie tafadhali.
From the land of waters, Nairobi County. From the land of waters, Nairobi County, traversing hills and valleys to come and commemorate World AIDS Day. Meru County, tumefika. Waje?
Niko fiti poa.
Mazee weekend ilikuwa fine.
Wacha bana.
Bamba.
Wacha bana.
Hebu mcheki mama. Relax guys. Condom is the best thing.
Hizo ni vitu za wazungu.
Unaweza kata utamu wa asali.
Funga zip.
Au tuwezekani tunafanyanga class kwa elimu na meza.
Hey, Colin.
It is still very early in the morning and you are making noise. You know, lecturers have been complaining every now and then about this class. Where is the class rep? Yes, what is happening in this class?
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
There was a debate going on in class about condoms. Some of us want to use them. Some of them are saying it's not safe to use them.
Let me have them. What is this class? What is this class? Fuck. Can we start afresh? What is this class? Who knows what is this? Yes.
Mpira ngono.
Listen. Let's have one class here. This side. What is this?
Hizo ni vitu za wazungu wewe.
Let's have one class. Let's have one class. I'll send you to the principal right away. Let's have one class. So, class rep, what was the discussion about?
Some of us want to use them. Some of them are saying it's not safe.
Yeah.
Listen. Onyango, I'll throw you outside of my class.
Hizi vitu zinafinya. Yeah.
Listen to me. Let's have one discussion here. Are we together? These are male condoms, to be specific. We have types of condoms. We have the female condoms and we have the male condoms. So, for instance, these ones that you've said, who had them? These are male condoms. And these male condoms, they are used to protect us, to ensure there is a limitation of sexually transmitted infections. Are we together, class? Are you together? They also prevent unwanted pregnancies. Are we together?
Yes.
Are you together?
Yes.
Who can tell me, class, any example of sexually transmitted infections? Who? Yes, Lisa.
Supergonorrhea.
Supergonorrhea. Appreciate her. Yes. She's right. Who else? Yes, Mwanzia.
Pneumonia.
Listen. You'll try her next time. Appreciate him. Who else this side? Yes, sir.
HIV.
Appreciate him. Now, talking of HIV, who can define for me what is HIV? Yes, Mr. Cosmas.
Human immunodeficiency virus.
Human what?
Anajua kwa sababu ako nayo.
Listen. Listen to me. Let's have one meeting. Are you together, class? I won't entertain this nonsense. Are you together, class?
Yes, sir.
Are you together?
Yes.
Now he has said it is HIV is
Human immunodeficiency virus.
correct. How can we prevent this HIV? Anybody? Yes, Lisa.
The Bible says that we should abstain from sex until
Listen. That is her option. And that is from her perspective. Who else? Now let me clarify this. All of those ideas you are giving, they are myths and misconception. Are we together, class?
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
HIV cannot be transmitted through sharing your items with another person, which are not sharp or infected. Are we together, class?
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes.
But for you, I expect all of you to abstain.
yes.
You see,
Yes.
listen to me. You see, people who are married like me, we are the one who are supposed to use this. In conclusion, go spread out the message to the whole world and community. pass the message because you are the senior most class. Are we together?
Yes,
and
sir.
class rep, remember to bring me the attendance.
Wapi makofi ya KMTC Nairobi edition. And now, Mwenda Gishuru, where are you? Asante sana, tuwapigia makofi, kila mtu abebe kiti chake. Let the community lead. That's what you're saying. And now, naomba kwa heshima Mheshimiwa Gavana, waheshimiwa CSs, naomba tafadhali tuwaruhusu one entertainment moja tu by Mwenda Gishuru na the Mariene traditional dancers, wanakuja wote wanaperformia hapa. I mean hapa juu. So, please come over Mwenda. Tupigie makofi Mwenda tafadhali, makofi. He composed this song specifically for this day. Unaperformia hapa juu. Check, check. Check, check.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Wacha nione mkono wa wale wanasema hapana kwa mimba za mapema. Wacha nione mkono kwa wale wanasema hapana kwa uambukizaji upya wa virusi vya ukimwi. DJ, tuanze hiyo song.
Katika gatuzi zetu tu atili wa jinsia tumekataa mimba za utoto.
Asante sana, kazi nzuri sana Mariene. Mwenda now take over, please. Sorry, I'm very sorry for the itch. Ni stima imeleta shinda. Nyinyi nataka mkue dansa wa Mwenda sasa. Tebuo? Ito tetaboya ibobo kwa boy dance au. Akatakaji. Twende.
Moshore kinda bontonkwere jegemero. Kaunti yetu ya Meru ndio itongeretie. Koinyeria mwana wa mware, koinyeria mwana wa mweje. Mimba za mapema, uenezaji wa virusi vya ukimwi. Jameni, mimba za mapema, uenezaji wa virusi vya ukimwi.
Tufanye mkono hivi kila mtu.
Towatanderete, tokorega, tokorega.
Kama umekataa hilo mkono sema.
Towatanderete, tokorega, tokorega.
Tuimbe kwa pamoja sema.
Kwa pamoja tunasema hapana.
Tunasema hapana.
Kwa pamoja we say no, we say no. Palipo na nia pana njia, vijana kwa wazee na kina mama, tuungane sote kwa mafunzo katika gatuzi zetu.
Tumekataa kina mimba za mapema, tumekataa. Wacha nisikie, tumekataa. 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 Nipe mkono wako kila mtu, nipe mkono wako kila mtu, twende. Mkono. Ike. Niketa. Ike. 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 Kila mtu nipatie mkono pande kila mtu. Tuimbe kwa pamoja.
Kwa pamoja tunasema hapana. Towatanderete, tokorega, tokorega.
Ay, tumekataka.
Towatanderete, tokorega, tokorega.
Wapigeni makofi.
Asante sana.
Wapigeni makofi. Thank you so much. Asanteni kindly, thank you. Wapigeni makofi tafadhali. Let's appreciate them. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I will take this precious opportunity to welcome Mr. Bosire for the next session. Makofi ya senior Bosire tafadhali. Karibu sana.
Makofi hao vijana tafadhali, makofi ya Pato. Na Ken uonekani bana, upate makofi. Makofi ya Ken. Yuni kijana wa governor hapa Meru. Thank you very much. Our guest of honor, the Cabinet Secretary for the Ministry of Health, Madam Nakumicha Wafula. Our governor for the great county of Meru, Mama Kawera Mwangaza, Your Excellency. The Principal Secretary